Good morning friends, I am Bhupesh, Director Anand Prakassh Educational Academy and your mentor for physics. We were discussing the chapter of electricity and so far we have covered the theory part of the chapter. We are doing the numericals. I have taken 3 questions for you today and after these 3 questions we will try to work out on the series and parallel circuits. That is one part which I will be taking up in detail because there are questions which are definitely going to come from series and parallel circuits in the board exam. Plus, if you are aspiring to become engineers, then it's a must how to solve the complicated circuits. Okay, let us start with our first question. A resistor draws a current of 0.25 ampere. So it's given current is equal to 0.25 ampere for 20 minutes. P is equal to 20 minutes. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Now we know the formula. Formula is very clear. I is equal to Q upon T. And normally what students do, they simply write Q is equal to IP, that is 0.25 into 20. How much is 0.25 into 20? That is 1/4 of 20, that is 5 coulomb. But this is wrong. This is wrong. Why? I have been telling every time that we have to see the units. Here it is ampere, minutes, and what is the current? Coulombs per second. So we have to convert 20 minutes into seconds, which is 1200 seconds. So now you see, instead of 20, it becomes 0.25 into 1200. That is 1/4 of 1200. That is 300 coulombs. That is the right answer. So, the very first thing which you have to see and you have to correct is the units. Physics, in any numerical, if you have to get the right answer, your first concentration has to be the units, then the magnitudes. So, be very careful. If we are overconfident, the answer definitely will be 5 coulombs, not 300 coulombs. So to avoid that confidence, you have to read the question very carefully, write down the given, correct it here itself so that there is no mistake. Second, this question can come in a different way also. A charge of this thing flows through a resistor or a bulb or they can be the name of any electrical gadget for 1 hour, 30 minutes. Calculate the current flowing through the circuit. Again, formula remains the same, I is equal to Q upon T. You have to see the value of Q is in coulombs, T is in seconds, then only I will be in amperes. Right, let us move on to the next question. A 6 ohm resistance is doubled by folding. Calculate the new resistance. Now just expect this is that resistance, now we have folded it. What happens? The length becomes half. So let us see, R is equal to rho L upon A. Rho is constant. Now what is, let me call it as original length and original area of cross section and the original resistance. So R2 will be rho. Now what has happened to the length? Length has become half. So it is L1 upon 2. And what happens to the area of cross section? There are 2 conductors of same area of cross section in parallel. So area of cross section doubles. 2A1. So R2 is equal to rho L1 upon A1 divided by 4. That means R2 and R1, if I see, what is the ratio? R2 is 1/4. R2 is equal to, or let me write now, R2 is equal to 1/4 of R1. Now what is the value of R1? 6 ohms. So let us substitute that value here, 1 upon 4 into 6. So that becomes 1.5 ohms. Remember, on doubling, that means if I am doubling by folding, then what is happening? Length is becoming half, area of cross section is becoming double. What will happen if I cut the piece into 2 pieces, only use the 1 piece? Then length only is becoming half. What is happening if I am doubling the area, keeping the length same? Area is becoming double. So all those combinations, remember the formula, R is equal to rho L upon A. So you have to compare R1 and R2 and get the final answer. One question as a homework for you. A wire of specific resistance rho is cut into 2 pieces. What is the new specific resistance of the wire? This we will be discussing in the next class. Till that time, try to find out the answer. Let us move on to the next question. Next question is, calculate the I flowing through the circuit. Now when I am saying calculate the current flowing through the circuit, I mean the total current flowing through the circuit. I could have asked you calculate the current flowing through 10 ohm resistance, 30 ohm resistance, 30 ohm resistance and all those resistances. We should be doing a bit later. But presently, I am asking you to calculate the current flowing through the circuit, total current flowing through the circuit. For this, we have to simplify the circuit. Find out the equivalent resistance. Now, how to find out the equivalent resistance? In this case, we will first try to simplify this circuit diagram. Where is my plus sign? My plus sign is at this particular point. From my plus sign, forget about the switch. I have got a resistor of 10 ohms. Then this 10 ohm resistor goes and joins a junction which is splitting into 3 parts. So let me draw 3 parts. These are 30 ohm resistances, 30 ohm, 30 ohm, this also is 30 ohm. I am joining, they all 3 are joining and going to the negative. Now, while solving this question, see where the current is splitting first. The current is coming, this is I. This I is splitting at this junction into I1, I2 and I3. That means I have to solve this circuit first. What is the equivalent resistance of 3 resistances? 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Substitute the values 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 30, that makes it 3 upon 30, or R is equal to 10 ohms. What I will do? I will simply substitute that 10 ohm resistance here. This goes to my negative. This is R equivalent. This is 10 ohms. Now I got 2 resistances in series. What is the formula for getting the equivalent resistance of series? That is add them arithmetically. R1 plus R2. That is 10 plus 10, that makes it 20 ohms. So my equivalent resistance, I can do one thing now. I can remove this resistance and I can mention this value as 20 ohms and this is my negative. Now come down to this circuit. If I say, now I know the equivalent resistance is 20 ohms. Now my circuit looks like, this is switch, this is the battery, this is the equivalent resistance of 20 ohms, this is 20 ohms, this is 100 volts. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R, or I is equal to V upon R. V is given as 100 volt, R is given as, we have calculated as 20 ohms. So current is equal to I amperes. Very simple. Let it be any complicated circuit. We will be discussing how to break first and then reunite them to solve the complicated circuits also. But for that, you have to be ready to watch my upcoming lecture. You have to be ready to keep safe till then. You have to subscribe to the channel and watch the videos and like the videos. Till then, keep safe and enjoy the life. Thank you very much.